Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Mala's mixed fruit crush. First, select a variety of fresh, ripe fruits such as mangoes, pineapples, and grapes for the best flavor. You'll also need sugar, citric acid, and a food-grade preservative. Remember to thoroughly clean and sterilize all your equipment to maintain hygiene throughout the process. This ensures a safe and delicious final product. Next, carefully wash and peel your chosen fruits, making sure to remove all seeds and cores. Cut the cleaned fruits into small, uniform pieces. This helps with even blending. Then, transfer these pieces to a food processor and blend until you achieve a smooth, consistent fruit pulp. This step is crucial for the texture of your crush. Now, combine your fruit pulp with the measured sugar and citric acid in a large, heavy-bottomed pot. Cook this mixture over medium heat, stirring continuously to prevent it from sticking to the bottom. Continue to simmer until the crush thickens to your preferred consistency, which usually takes about 20 to 30 minutes. This process develops the rich flavor. Finally, while the crush is still warm, stir in the food-grade preservative thoroughly to ensure a longer shelf life. Carefully pour the hot Mala's mixed fruit crush into sterilized bottles or jars, filling them almost to the top, and seal them tightly. Allow the jars to cool completely before storing them in a cool, dark place. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.